Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick video on how to make my 3-ingredient pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I promised this to you last week, so here it is. It's so easy, so this is going to be a pretty short video. It requires just 3 ingredients. So a box of spice cake, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 15 ounces, and a cup of chocolate chips. I use semi-sweet. What happened to the sun? Autumn. Today really looks like autumn. It's beautiful outside, quite sunny, but blustery. I was going to take a walk with my son and whew, the wind is cold. So I hope you like these cookies. Let me know if you have any questions about them. I make a big cookie, so I get 1 dozen from this mix, but if you make a normal sized cookie, you'll get about 1.5 dozen, maybe even 2 dozen. They're so easy to make. So, anywho, without further ado, let's get started in the video.
So these cookies really are the easiest cookies to make. 1 box of spice cake mix, and I whisk it a little bit to get the clumps out. You might want to sift it if you need your cookies to look pretty, but I don't really care about that. I just want big, delicious cookies. Next, organic pumpkin puree. You could use non-organic, but I just like the taste of this one. And finally, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. Yum! I lined my cookie sheet with parchment paper, but you can use a non-stick cooking spray or even tin foil. If you use a scooper or make them smaller, 1, they're going to look a little bit better, and 2, you'll probably yield about 1.5 dozen to 2 dozen. And there they are. $350 for 20 minutes, and they should be perfect. And big, and moist, and delicious. And because there's no raw egg in here, I can share this with my 1-year-old. If you want a more attractive looking cookie that is a little bit smaller, I would suggest using either a smaller spoon when scooping them out onto the cookie sheet, or even a melon ball scooper. That's what my mom recently did. She made some cookies for a church bake sale and used this exact recipe. They turned out great, and they look really nice too. But these are just meant to be big and delicious. So that's it, the easiest cookies you will probably ever make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll try the cookies. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications.
We'll see you next time. Bye!